Welcome back, everyone. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. We are continuing our distance learning. There are 38 days left this academic school year for 2019-2020. 8 weeks of school, 2 short weeks. Okay, Memorial Day weekend and first week of June, it's only a 4-day week. We are continuing one math video problem a day. This is Unit 1, numbers 11 through 15. Standard 4 MBT3 round multi-digit whole number standing place. Okay, so remember, log into Google Classroom, use your passwords. You know that by now. There's our daily math routine, which a lot of you are doing consistently, which is pretty cool to see. All right, here we go. Math, grade 4, Unit 1, 2019-2020, practice problems, MBT3, numbers 11 through 13. This is number 12. When rounding. Keyword rounding. So the standard is focused on rounding. Remember, you can go back to video number 11, watch the steps. I posted a quiz that a lot of students took already and did very well on the quiz. Okay, but that was on the previous standard. You will have a quiz on rounding this Friday as well. It'll be very similar to these practice problems. When rounding to the nearest 1,000, select all, almost all the time that equals 2 answers. Okay, the numbers that round to 16,000. So we see the word round again. We are looking at rounding to 16,000. And then keyword, 1,000. Now, from the previous recording, students who are getting faster, they do this. They go ones, tens, hundreds. And they just write on here. Thousands, 10,000s. But I know that's teeny tiny small, so we will create our place value table. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s. Now I know all these only go to 10,000, but because you are soon to be 5th grader, we will go all the way to millions. Yep. Let's take each one. So let's just take this one. 3, 2, 1, comma, 1, 1. This is how you would read this number. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. It's a 5-digit number. It's 11,123. Now the question is, does it go to 16,000? Let's review our little rounding mountain. So you could say this was step 1, place value table. Place value table. Now, when you're watching these online, the cool thing is I'm watching a lot of videos now on Google Meets and everything and seeing a lot of different strategies from different teachers. The nice thing about these videos on YouTube is you can pause it. Okay, you can rewind it, you can make it go faster, slower, you can watch as many times as possible. And sometimes that's really difficult to do when you go live, okay, online. All right, so take advantage of these videos. Place value table, step 1. Okay, here is step 2. The rounding mountain. So remember, if it's a 1, 2, 3, or 4, it stays the same. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we add 1. We are going to find that digit, look 1 over to the right, and this digit will tell us whether it stays the same or whether we add 1. Okay, so we are rounding to the thousands. So I'm going to put this line all the way down. Okay, so I'm looking at the thousands place. Okay, I'm going to take just this digit. I am looking to the right. Notice how this arrow points. To the right. Okay, if it's a 1, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it stays the same. So therefore, you rewrite it like this. That's it. Is that equal to 16,000? No, it's equal to 11,000. So not the right answer. All right. So 11,123 is closer to 11,000. It does not round to 16,000. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, let's go to the next one. 16230. We are only looking at the thousands place. I find that digit. I look over to the right. Gonna highlight that. If it's a 1, 2, 3, or 4, this digit stays the same. Look, it's a 2, 2. So all these become zeros. The 6 stays the same. 1, 6. 16,000. Okay, so there's one of our answers. 16,200 rounds to 16,000. All right, so we got that one done. Oh, are we going to run out of space? We're going to find out. 15,777. I find the thousands place. I look one digit to the right. Ooh, this time it's a 7. It's not a 2. It's not a 1. Let's look at that little mountaintop. There's the 7 right here. I'm going to add 1. So I add 1 to the thousands place. All these become zeros. See this pattern? They all become zeros. But I add 1 to the 5. So this rounds to 16,000. Whew, we found one answer, two answers. One answer, two answers. One answer, two answers. This one goes to 16,000. Now we have one last one left. Since I'm running out of room right here, watch this. And when I had students who got really fast in rounding, they would just go like this. They find the thousands, look one digit to the right, circle it. If it's a 1, 2, 3, or 4, stays the same. But wait, look, it's a 5. So I go to the 5. Since it's a 5, I will add 1 to the thousands place. So therefore, this becomes 17,000. Okay, so I added 1 to the 6. Practice your rounding. That's about 7 minutes. There's our two answers, B and C. To wrap this up, remember, log in the Google Classroom. When you go to the math class, you can see that there have been assignments posted daily. Make sure you log in. And now, language arts, you can see that there's an assignment on how to find the main idea. And then when you go to science now, thank you, Mystery Science, there will be one science activity a week as well. Okay, on Wednesday, I'm going to meet with you guys on Google Meets live, and I'll show some of you who are struggling how to do this, but a lot of you, thank you for posting your assignments. You're going to see 4 MBT3 number 12 in about 1 hour. Okay, it's 11:45 in the morning right now. By 1 o'clock, I'll be up ready to go. Remember, I have kiddos working 8, 9 o'clock at night, some at 4 in the morning. When these videos are recorded and put on YouTube, that allows you to do them any day, anytime, and watch them as many times as possible, forever. Have fun. Later. Post your comments.